morning, my dear students. This is Dr. Neerukonda Viswasarao, lecturer in English of SVKP Degree College, Markapur. Yesterday, we discussed about voice, active voice and passive voice. In the previous class, we explained a table also. What is active voice? What is passive voice? Okay. How we change any sentences from active to passive. Already we have given 5 rules. First rule, second rule, third rule, fourth rule and fifth rule. And again a table also given in the previous class. Okay. I hope you understand. Okay. Now today in this class we want to change, some more of examples how we are going to change a sentence from active voice to passive voice. Okay. For particularly or our clearness or our clear understanding, we have to take one sentences and we change the same sentences into different kinds of tenses into passive voice. Understand? Take one sentences. Okay. The sentences is Lata writes a letter. Lata writes a letter. That is the sentences. Now we can change the sentences into passive voice and we can change the sentences into different types of tenses. All tenses we can change the same sentences into different types of tenses and change that one into passive voice. Okay, listen careful. The sentences is Lata writes. What I am saying? Lata writes a letter. Lata writes a letter. Is it right? Okay, come on, read. Lata writes a letter. This is active voice. This is active voice. Okay. Lata writes a letter. Okay. Whenever we want to change the sentences from active to passive, we can observe the tense. See, the sentences is in the simple present tense. How do you know about the sentences is in the simple present tense? The sentences, the structure of the sentences is subject plus V1 plus object. That's why the sentences is in the simple present tense. Okay. According to our table, if the sentences is in the simple present tense, we can change the passive voice. Okay. Following rules. Okay. Object becomes to subject. Okay. Look here. Letter. A letter is, okay, wrote, written. A letter is written by Lata. This is passive voice. Okay. Sentences is in the simple present tense. Okay. We can change the simple present tense sentences into passive voice. Okay. And now we are going to change the simple present tense in the present continuous tense. Lata writes a letter. Okay. That is changed into present continuous tense. Lata is writing. Understand, my friends? Lata is writing a letter. That is present continuous tense. Change into passive voice. A letter is being written by Lata. Okay. Lata is writing a letter. Passive voice is a letter is being written by Lata. Understand? Okay. Now we go to the third one. Lata writes a letter. Change into third one. Present perfect tense. A letter has, see my friends. First of all, write the passive voice. Lata has written a letter. Lata has written a letter. Okay, change into passive voice according to your rule. A letter comes to subject. A letter, okay, has written, that is past present perfect tense. Okay, whenever the verb is present perfect tense, here B form is what is there? What is there? Has been. Has been. So your answer is a letter has been written by Lata. Understand? A letter has been written by Lata. Okay. Okay, right? Then the next sentence is Lata wrote a letter. Okay, that is simple past. Lata wrote a letter. Simple past. According to your rule, when the sentences is in the simple past, helping verbs, they are was or were. Okay, see my friends, Lata wrote a letter. Lata wrote a letter. Okay, Lata wrote a letter. Lata wrote a letter. Okay, a letter was written by Lata. Understand? A letter was written by Lata. Why? Whenever the sentence is in the simple past, okay, B form is was or were should be used there. Okay? Okay, yes. Next our sentences is Lata was writing a letter. What is there? See, Lata was writing a letter. It is the active voice. Present continuous, past continuous tense. What is there? It is past continuous tense. Okay? Lata was writing a letter. Okay. Change into passive voice. A letter was, letter is also a singular. So a letter was being, a letter was being written by Lata. A letter was being written by Lata. Okay? Understand? Okay. Next, simple feature. Okay. I am going to write a sentence as Lata will write a letter. Lata will write a letter. That is simple feature. Okay. Change into passive voice. A letter will be written by Lata. Understand? A letter will be written by Lata. So whenever the active voice is in the simple feature, whenever the active voice is in the simple feature, okay, helping verb is will be or shall be. Okay, next, okay, I am going to write the sentences into future perfect. Future perfect. Lata will have written a letter. Lata will have written a letter. Change into passive voice. A letter, see my friends, a letter will have been, okay, or shall have been. Understand? A Lata will have been, sorry, come to here, letter, what is there? A letter will have been written by Lata. A letter will have been written by Lata. Okay, generally 8 types of, okay, if it is a simple present tense, if it is a present continuous tense, if it is a present perfect tense, okay, if it is simple past, if it is the past continuous, okay, if it is simple past perfect tense, if it is simple future and future perfect tense, 8 tenses, 8 types, okay, every one we are going to change sentences from active to passive. See, depends on the rules, depends on the 5 rules we follow, and depends on the table what we have drawn on the blackboard already in the previous class. Whenever you learn the 2, then definitely you can change your sentences from active to passive. I am going to write one sentences on the blackboard. You try it once again. Okay. See, I am doing homework. This is a sentences. I am doing homework. First of all, you know what kind of sentences is, what tense is there in the sentences. I am writing, I am doing homework. Okay, I am doing homework. This is present continuous tense. Clarify? Whenever it is a present continuous tense, then immediately go to the table. If it is the active voice is in the present continuous tense, the B form is being, am being, are being, plus V3 plus object. Okay? Yes, usually we can say, what is the sentences? I am doing homework. Come on, change according to the following rules. Homework is being, do, did, done, V3. Homework is being done by me. Homework is being done by me. That is passive voice. Understand? Another sentences. They are playing kabaddi. They are playing kabaddi. Okay? Change the sentences. Kabaddi is being played by them. Kabaddi is being played by them. Understand? Okay? And another sentences. Shakespeare wrote Othello. Shakespeare wrote Othello. Othello is the famous drama of Shakespeare. Okay? See, it is the wrote means simple past. Okay? Change that one. Othello was written by Shakespeare. Understand? Othello was written by Shakespeare. Okay? Understand, my friends? Okay? Yes, very carefully do all these examples. Carefully learn the table, and we will continue the remaining class, the remaining topic, the remaining chapter in the next class. Okay, na? Thank you. Right, see you.